Hey guys, my name is Sanaya, and I am back with another video. And here I got my dog, Bella. But what we are going to be doing, pat that down there, okay. So what we are going to be doing today, I'm going to be doing, I am going to be showing you unicorn slime. So this is my first time ever testing it out. I got it for Sam's for $20, and I'm going to show you it. And here it is. So let's open it. Oh my
Alright, you swear by.
God. So here it is. Okay.
Yes.
So excited. Okay. So and what I think is going to be very cool about it is it got 3 different layers. So I think that's so cool. Okay. So this is how it looks on the top before you even open it. Not bad. So let's open this part here. Okay. Daddy, can you give me some scissors?
Be careful.
I don't know what's so hard about it. It's like it got like something right there. It's like hard or something. Okay guys, so I got a piece open. Oh, I know what's so hard. It's not even the slime yet. Oh my god. Like they protected this very good, but like a little, just a tad too much. But I can understand why. It looked like that it already got like a little hole in it. I don't know why. And like it's right at the edge and like a coat leak. But that's kind of weird. But that is the top after I took off the paper, as you guys can see. Here it is. Okay, so now somehow let's take off the disc or whatever you want to call this here. So where's the hole at? Oh, here it is. Here's the hole here. So I'm going to actually open it by the little hole because it's easier. And yeah, okay. Okay guys, so I know why it's so hard to open. Okay, so basically like it got like a tape layer. Okay. Okay, here it is. Okay. So, oh, sorry. So the first layer is blue. Oh my god, this is so cool, guys. It smells like so good, So I already don't like something about it. So it's like something about it that I already don't like. It's not that slimy, like it's not real slime. That's something I don't like, but I can understand why. But I actually like it. But I want to see, do it make bubbles? Oh my god, it makes bubbles. It's just like that jiggly form of slime. Yeah, it doesn't make good pokes, but I mean it makes pokes. It's like, it's not slime, but it's like slime. Yeah. But here it is, and it likely, like, when you first start playing with it, it leaves like a sticky texture to your hands. And if you guys are asking what is that sizzling behind, like the sound, it's actually because my mom is cooking some fried chicken. Very yummy. Alright, so here the slime is. I'm actually going to make a slime swirl. Let's try. To me, this slime cannot make a slime swirl. So I'm going to rate each what I do. So I will give that a 5. Now it's the poking. I mean, it pokes. It's just like that jiggly. So I will actually give that a 7 because you kind of can hear it. Now it's the bubble. I mean, it makes bubbles, but like it's not really good at showing it here. So nervous on camera, guys. I already can tell. Okay, so yeah. So that was that one. So now what I'm gonna do is I am so that is that. So I am going to set that straight over to the side because I gotta do another one because how many comes in this packages? It's like a real good amount. So that's that slime sitting aside. So now it's like a disc like the other one. So let me see how I'm gonna get that out. I'm so sorry, guys. Okay, so what I'm gonna have to do, I'm just gonna push down with some scissors. Okay, good. I think that's good. Yeah, it's great there. Okay, so I'm just going to do that there. Now this slime is more like slime. Yeah. So guys, it actually got a little bit of purple in it. Oh my god. You guys, this is like real slime. Now the blue, it's more jiggly. But this right here, this is like real slime. Like, it's not even jiggly, but a little. But come on now. You can't tell me this is not that slime. But I mean, I know people make better slime than this, but I mean, $20. Come on now, 3 colors. That's worth it. Okay, so I'm loving this slime so far, and it got a funny smell to it. It's nothing in it actually, like it's pearl. So like when you like smear or something, it got that little pretty color to it. Oh my god. Okay. Oh my, it's like when you make a bubble, it works, but then like it hurries up, it pops. Like it looks so quick. Ooh, good thing it don't stick to your clothes. Look. Nothing's on there. Look. Let me get a little piece here. I just want a little. Okay. Doesn't stick to your clothes. Comes straight off. But like if you let it sit there, of course it's gonna stick. But like if you're there and you found out, like, oh yeah, it's gonna come off. Okay, I love the color. Now let's do some tests. Let's do pretty tests. Like this slime is so beautiful. Alright, I'll give the beautiful a 10. Let's do bubble. Woo! Now, oh my god, guys. Now, you can't tell me that's a bubble. You can tell me that's a bubble. Let's pop it. That was so good. I love it. Okay. So now let's go ahead and do a poking test. This poking test is so much better. This poking test is so much better. One thing that I do not like about this slime, it's not real slime, but it's way better than the blue slime that I just had. But I actually like it. And this slime it's clear, so like it acts like it look clear and it is clear. So like this one too, like the blue one here. Okay, let's put that to the side there. Alright, so now let's do a slime swirl test. Oh yeah, the bubbling, I would give it a 10. The poking, I would give it a 7. Now let's do a slime swirl. Okay guys, so like the slime, it really doesn't work. It just expand with just like layout. Like look, it's gonna lay out, look. But yeah, so the slime swirl, I would give it a 5. Like, boom, that's a bubble, even though I did not try to make a bubble. Like, it's a bubble, bro. Like, that's so good. Like, I love this slime. Okay, now let's set this to the side here. Now let's get the purple slime out. Now this one I'm just gonna flip. It's gonna come out. I don't know, did you guys see that clearly or not? I don't know. Alright, let's take it out. Boom. Oh my god, guys, I don't know, can you see, but here it got a little bit of pink in it. Can you guys see that? This slime is so good. I love the 3 colors. I love the combination of the colors too. So pretty. So cool. This slime is so worth it. Well, I mean, it's not that worth it, but guys, if you wanted slime and you could not buy it online, just go to Sam's. Like, this slime is so good. Like, it's clear, as you guys can see. I mean, you can do poking with it. Just, you can't hear it that much. You can do bubbling with it. Good. You can do slime swirls with it. It just expands. And what else can you do with slime? Oh, you can add stuff into the slime. It doesn't come with nothing. It just comes with 3 different shades of slime. It's unicorn slime because people mix their slimes in lots. But yeah, so now what I'm gonna do is a bubble test. Like the bubbles, like this one's not that stretchy. That's funny. You see my dog there? She's like, what's going on here? Guys, so this did not make a bubble here. That's okay. So I would give it a So, look, I made a bubble right there, so that counts, so I will give it a 5. It made a bubble right there, so I'll give it a 5. And right there, see that? I'll give it a 5. Right there. Alright, but now let's do poking. Okay, now let's do slime swirl. My dog's back in the chair with me, guys. Okay, guys, so that's not good. So I will give that a 5 also. But yeah, the bubbling, I told you that I would give that a 5. The slime swirl, I would give you a 5 also. I don't know, did I do the poke, so I'm just gonna do it one more time. I think I said I'll give that a 5 too. So everything on this slime is a 5. The stretching is also a 5. It doesn't stretch that much. But yeah, now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take a little bit out of each, like that much. Yeah, I'm going to plop this back in the container. I'm going to let that settle there. Now I am just going to go ahead and put a little this inside. Okay. Like, I don't know how they got it in there. Oh, there we go. Okay, boom. So they're going to take the pink here. So now I'm just going to take the same amount as pink out as purple. So there, I'm going to plop that in. I'm going to let that expand. And put the other one in there. Okay. Then I'm going to go ahead, take the blue. I'm going to take a little bit out. And then I'm going to pop that in there. I don't really think I need all of the protection, but I'm going to go ahead and do it anyways. But boom. Alright, so that's, oh my bad guys, I'm so sorry. Put those things here. Don't touch each other. Alright, but here it is. It looks back as the same as it was before. It just looked like it has been playing with, which it has. Now with these, I'm just going to go ahead and play around with these. That's so cool. Okay guys, so now what? So guys, something just popped into my head when I said, so now guys, something just popped into my head. Something really just popped into my head. I should do a unicorn mixture. I'm down for it. Alright, so what you're gonna do, you're gonna go ahead, start with by taking a color and just spread it out. Okay, and then take the blue, put it like, hold on. put it right next to each other and kind of connect them just like that there. Take the pink, put it on the other side as the blue, and just connect it together. Boom, boom, boom. Make sure you take a screenshot of this. Alright, now make sure you take the screenshot of that there. You ready? Set. My bad. Okay, so now I'm gonna do a slime swirl. These are so pretty. It looks so beautiful. Oh no, kind of messed it up there. OMG. So, make sure like you take a screenshot. That slime swirl, put it on Instagram. Put it on Instagram, guys. Oh, okay, I'm ready for it. And yeah, so that's that. And I just start mixing it in, and the color is like a, let me see, a dark purple at the end. I actually love it. So pretty. It's like a pink but a purple at the same time. It's so pretty, guys. So yeah, make sure you hit that like button. Make sure you comment down below which color was your favorite. My favorite was the pink. And then, well, I don't got a favorite, but I bet you guys do. Comment down below. Merry Christmas. And yeah, because Christmas is coming up. Comment down below. Do you want to also see a what is that called? Oh yeah, a Christmas video where I open up all my presents, or a couple of my presents on there. Guys, it actually made a bubble. So little too, but so pretty. So, yeah, that is it for this video. Bye. Wait.